dahil hindi edad, hindi medida ang susukat sa kakayahan ng isang tao, bagkus ang paniniwala sa bawat karapatan mo.
If you were to look in the mirror, what do you see? If you were to look in the mirror, what do you see?
Good evening or good morning once again, ladies and gentlemen. Quite sometimes, people do not think of who they are or what they are. That is why we often forget our own authenticity. The reflection of every simple individual must be concluded by your own self. Kung harap ako sa salamin, ano nga ba makikita ko? I see someone who's always hungry. I've always been bashed by everyone, but kumasalit pa yun, laki-laki, taba, matanda, di na kaya ay itsura. But then again, I have to pursue. They do not know my story. I'm still pursuing with this because as I look up into the mirror, no matter how I grow old, no matter how I go fat, or my body will fluctuate, one thing, I am staying still. Mat-mat, Kuya Mat, Inay Mat, Ate Mat, who is fighting for, because this is where my pageantry and my advocacy is not only about self-confidence, it's about knowing that you should be hungry all throughout your world. Hindi mapapakain ng pamilya yung masasakit na salita. Hindi yung itsura ang magsasabi na mapag-aaral ko mga kapatid ko at mga pamangkin ko, at lalong hindi mababayaran nila yung pangbuwanan kong bills, lalo na yung mga anak-anakan kong aso at pusa. From that itself, did you ask all yourself? What you see in the mirror is just only a pure reflection that who you are is what about yesterday. You might change physically, but it is imperative or napaka-importante na tahangan mo ang kumpiyansa mo sa sarili, dahil hindi edad, hindi medida ang susukat sa kakayahan ng isang tao, bagkus ang paniniwala sa bawat karapatan mo. And I have to end up by saying like this, hanggat hindi at masakit at kaya ko pa yung rayuma ko, haharap ako sa salamin. Ako si Matrika May Matmat Centino. May mga bata pa rin na inspired at patuloy na naniniwala sa akin. Kahit isa, 2 milyon o libo, ang mahalaga, lagi mong itatatak sa isipin mo, at lagi ko sinasabi sa lahat, hindi mo kailangan maging perpekto sa lamin. Kaya mo lang, dapat maging mabuting tao ka. Thank you.
Thank you so much.